Hello, Reed Andrew here with the Museum of Root Beer. We're going to conduct an experiment here in cold Wisconsin. It's kind of a magic show. We are going to turn root beer into root steam. And here to help me is my trusty nephew.
I'm Gavin Hurd, and this is going to be a lot of fun.
All right, first job is to pick out a root beer or two. Right in here, we have some root beers.
Let's see what root beer we should do.
Ooh, I want to do two, and I want to see what a zero sugar does versus one with sugar when we throw it into the cold air. So I'm gonna pick this one out.
I'm gonna say I have to do classic. 1919.
Oh,
too classic
that
not
might
to
be
do it.
your religious, but yeah, too classic not to. I agree. All right, here we are in the kitchen. We got it all set up.
We got
Big pot, little pot, and a mug
beers.
ready to go. What, Gavin?
And we have the root beers, of course. We can't do the experiment without the root beers.
All right, Gavin, you get the cans. I'm gonna get the stove. All right, stove number 1 on. Stove number 2 on. All right, we're gonna bring these to a boil. That is boiling root beer.
It is, and it is boiling fast.
Okay, let's do this thing.
I would definitely not try this without adult supervision.
Good tip. Okay, here we go. All right, Gavin, grab it. We'll go outside and toss that sucker into the air. 1, 2, 3.
That was satisfying.
All right, Gavin, we have the second one boiling. You're gonna pour it?
Yeah.
Do it fast.
This is the Sugar 1919, and we're gonna do it in 3.
I want to taste it first. Steamed up the glasses.
Huh?
Okay, give me the countdown.
And 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, that made some steam. Root beer steam. Woo. All right, we've concluded our experiment.
Our super fun experiment.
Yeah, so success. What do you think, Gavin?
It was very fun, and I think you should try it with adult supervision.
There you have it. Again, Reed Andrew and my nephew.
Gavin Hurd.
I didn't get to say my nephew. My nephew Gavin with this fun experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. And you can learn more, see more at museumofrootbeer.com. Drop us a line, leave a comment, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel.